Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a mini haul video for you. I picked up some things from Sephora. I was taking a moment to buy some things from the Fenty line and I wanted to see some reviews first, and I got some things from that line, the new stuff, and I got some other things as well, and I wanted to share that with you guys. I am a little like wired because I just came back from watching John Wick. Super good movie, super recommend. But anyway, moving on to the haul. Okay, so the first thing I got was this Pat McGrath Mini Luxe Gloss Skin Show Warm version trio lip glosses. And I was really excited to get this because I wanted to try some additional glosses. The only gloss that I have from Pat McGrath is the Alien-gelic like shimmery lip gloss, and so I wanted to try some of the more nudie colored ones. And I was excited to get the packaging because I have yet to receive an item with the packaging that has like the sequins in it, so that was fun. So I wanted to go ahead and pick that up. Another thing from Pat McGrath I got was the Fetish Eyes mascara, which comes in this little packaging, and let me open it. Let me try to open it. I don't have any scissors nearby, so whoop. Okay, this is what the mascara looks like, and let's see. Oh, it's a nice brush too. So yes, so I went ahead and I got that mascara. I wanted to try that out. It looks like it works really nicely with lengthening, so I can use that whenever I want to. One second, camera was a little lopsided. I can wear that whenever I want to not wear lashes. Moving on. The next thing I got was, I believe it's the Briogeo. I'm not sure I pronounced that correctly. The Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, and I just got the mini. And let me try to, it's a little bright, so there we go. And I got the mini, and I wanted to try this out because I heard it was really good for really dry and damaged hair, so I want to give that a shot and just see how it works. And if it works well, I will buy the larger one. And of course, I always get samples, and so the two samples that I received are the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser and also the Tatcha Violet Sea Brightening Serum. And that's what they look like. And I love Glow Recipe and I love Tatcha, so I really hope that these work out. And if they do, I probably will invest in getting the full size ones. Okay, and then I got my favorite lash adhesive. I am still new to applying lashes, but I do know that one thing that is crucial is that you have to have a really good lash adhesive. And my favorite is the Tarte Pro. And it just works so well because once they are on, and they last all day. I love this stuff. It's really, that's what it looks like. And if I open it, and this is in the shade black. I like to get the black one because I tend to wear eyeliner a lot, so I just like to get it in the black shade. So that's what that looks like. It's my favorite. Highly recommend it. And so the last few things I got were the Fenty products. And so I got the Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer, and that one is in Mocha Mommy. And I love the packaging. The packaging is so nice and pretty and like a rose gold bronzy kind of a shade. And it has a mirror in there, and this is what it looks like. And I actually wore this one. I broke into this already, but my face is kind of like getting a little oily, but I kind of have it on with a little bit of blush, and I really like the effect that it made. But I'm probably going to use this in another video so that way you guys can really see what it looks like on my face fresh. the last two things I got were the Pro Kisser Lip Loving Scrub Stick from Fenty and the Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. I saw someone else review these and try them out, and she was just in love with them. I forgot who it was. I just kind of like was searching for reviews and I completely forgot her name, but she was really into it. And this one, it looks like it's in shade Hint Hint. That's the gloss shade. And I believe that's the clear shade. Yeah, it's just kind of clear balm. Looks like that. And I like that it's in this like squeeze tube, so that way you can, you know, use the applicator, but you can also squeeze out more once it starts to get a little bit low, which I think is really smart. And then we have the lip scrub, and I have had a stick scrub like this before, and the one that I had, I believe that was from e.l.f. With these, you have to rub this on for a few moments so that way you can actually get to the scrub, because the top layer is more so the moisture, everything that builds it together, and then once you have it down a little bit, it gets to the grittiness that actually exfoliates your lips. So I can't wait to use that out with the gloss and see how they work together. And it smells really good. Yeah, that smells super, super nice. So I'm excited about that. I wanted to try these out, so I'm happy I got them. So guys, that is everything in my mini haul. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. I will be back with another video where I will be doing like a blue kind of smoky eye look with a yellow inner corner. And I think that's going to look really pretty. We'll see how that turns out. If you guys happen to have any questions, concerns, or if you have any suggestions, please leave those in the comments below. As always, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.